GoEnglish.tv. The past perfect continuous. When do we use the past perfect continuous?
1. To emphasize the duration of an event in the past, before a second past event. Example 1.
Leanne had been searching for her soulmate for years, before she met Harry.
Example 2.
I had been using the park for ages, before they built on it.
Example 3.
They had been living in the city for 7 years, before they decided to move to the country. Two.
To demonstrate cause and effect. Example 1.
Gary was very tired, because he had been dancing the night before.
Example 2.
Craig was sick because he had been eating too much ice cream.
Example 3.
Samantha was very upset because she had been arguing with James.